Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Mark here again, day 4 of our 30-day AI profit challenge. Today, we're going to talk about working in YouTube a little bit, but we're going to talk specifically about two different things. One of them is, again, Spotter Studio, as well as Replicate right down here. Replicate is a great little tool that I figured out yesterday. And the best thing to do is if you come over here, you'll see this video right here. This is a great video that you can watch that'll show you how to actually get it all set up, because it does take a little bit of time to get it set up. I'm not going to get into actually setting it up here today, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure that we have one set up and show you how to actually make really good thumbnails, because my initial thumbnails weren't so good, so I went back and I updated it. And what Replicate does is it takes your image and adjusts it so that we can make better thumbnails and you don't have to take all these photo shoots or anything like that. All right, getting into it, don't forget to download your free checklist in the link below. And don't forget about this Spotter Holiday Sweepstakes. It's highlighted here. Win $25,000 in cash prizes. And basically, it's free. You just sign up and use it, connect it to your YouTube account. You have a 30-day or 60-day trial, which is unusual. Normally, most trials are only 30 days, but this one's actually 60 days. If you haven't seen the other videos, I invite you to check out the first video. Start with the first one and work your way through it. I'll include a link to the playlist right here. And without any further information here, let's go ahead and just dive right in. So if we come over to our Spotter Studio here, again, this is my account, and not playing anything funny here. And let's see what we want to do. Make money online. It's going to pull up the latest ones that are coming up. So this guy's got 3.4. He's got a ton of subs. It's fairly new. You can kind of see the outline of this stuff, but really I'm make money. Let's try with AI. See what happens. No results found. I think there's going to be ways there. All right. So if we're looking, we're doing split screens. We're doing something different there. Working hard type thing. I like the robot type look, kind of like this, but we're going to use me in this type of picture. So let's see what we can do here. So we're going to go ahead and go over to ChatGPT and say, please create a prompt for an LLM image generation. The first word should be, quote, Mark. And I want that all lowercase because it's how I trained the project. I should have trained it with uppercase. I don't know if uppercase works or not, but let's not try right this second. First word should be Mark. I want it in split. I want it to be a split screen with 4 images total. The images should be of Mark, with him looking in the distance on the right side of the screen and to the left. What else do we want to say in here? The background should, no, I don't want to start with the background. Let's go with the image should be of a robot version or cybernetic version of Mark quote Mark, showing his, or representing him diving into AI. Let's also add something else here. The left side of the screen of each picture should be an advanced cityscape. All right, let's see what happens here with ChatGPT. I like using these chatbots to come up with the prompts because they know exactly how to talk to one another. So that's why I like doing it this way. All right, so we're going to go ahead and copy this out. We're going to make that all lowercase whenever we see Mark in there. But let's see what happens. We'll go this, and we'll come back over to here and to our image. There's an image I generated earlier. Yeah, well, let's try leaving the, no, there we go. Let's see what happens. Now, this is going to take a little while to run, probably 20, 30 seconds at least. You can see it's starting to think about it and going through everything. And what we'll do in the meantime is I will also be using another free program called paint.net. I use this a lot. So once we download it, we'll open up the files in here and we'll be able to manipulate them quite easily. It's a free photo editor. So let's see where we're at on this here. It does take a little bit of time. All right, we're already 50% done. So it's coming along. These do cost a little bit of money, but it's really not a lot of money, to be honest with you. It doesn't take too long, and the output is really good. But you can use this and the spotter to come up with great ideas and see how you actually want to do things. I may have done 2 or 3 pictures with this. Let's see what I actually have it set up as. Okay. So those are a little bit different. Not exactly what I was looking for. Let me redo the prompt. I don't care for those too much. All right. Let's forget the split screen. Let's build an image prompt. And I'm going to take the rest of that, but I'm going to take the split screen off. I'm going to copy this or actually we can just, and then we're going to take out the split screen. All right, the first word should be Mark. I don't want a split screen now. And I don't want the 4 images. We'll just do 1. We might make 4 in the process, but the image of Mark should be him looking to the distance on the right side of the screen. Oh, I can see that's a little confusing. On the right side of the screen. Toward the left side of the screen. Maybe that'll be a little bit more clear. The image should be a robotic version. All right. The left side, he should only take up, he should take up no more than 30% of the image. The image should be a robotic version. We'll keep the rest of that representing him diving in. The left side of the picture should be an advanced cityscape. Or how about just the background? Background and left side. The background and left side of the picture should be an advanced cityscape. Well, if we can make this right too. All right, let's see what happens. I didn't want the image. Oh, that's interesting. I like that though. I might download that and use that for another time. Okay. All right, downloaded it. Let's go back to chat there. That's a nice image. I like that. I'll use that for something else. All right. It's pretty close to what I had. All right. Well, let's go ahead and go back to our image there. And then we'll go ahead and try again. Delete that, Control V, and let's see. I don't want 3 images. Let's change the amount of images. Where's the amount of images? Right here. Let's just change. Oh, we'll come down to 2. That's fine. We'll go ahead and run that. See what happens here. It's truncated. All right, well, it's working anyway. So we'll see what happens. Overall, I have an output as JPEG. You do have to change this whenever you log in, but it still works pretty easily. All right, we're already at 43%. Again, don't forget I'm going to bounce back to this. Don't forget to download that checklist of mine and just kind of work your way through it. And as you do so, I'd love you to follow along and succeed too. Yesterday, we talked a little bit about Leonardo as well as Pinterest. So again, if you missed that, go ahead and check that out. Let's see if this video is done. There we go. Oh, much better. Believe it or not, yes, this is more like me, the top one. I normally don't have my hair in a bun, but that's all right. I can use that one. I like this. So we come down here now and we just download the images. Those can be for a couple of different days. I like this idea where it has the regular face and the cybernetic implants, I guess. I don't know what else you'd call it. Okay, we got those downloaded. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go here, and it's not there. Where is it at? Let me come back here. Didn't I hit download? Okay. There it did download. Oh, I know why. I need to refresh. I'm going to have 2 copies of it. All right, so we're going to come into here, and we're going to go boom, boom, and we're going to open those, and that'll open up over here. Okay, yeah, those look pretty nice. That one looks nice. Where's the other one? The other one should open too. Well, this is, no, I wanted to use the other one actually first today. So let's see, this is 9YA. So it's not there, here, 9YA. Oh, they're both exactly the same, except one's 01. All right, let's go to this one, open up this one too. There we go. Now, we don't need to edit these. These look good. The reason we don't need to edit them is because of I didn't have it in the quadrants. Now the other ones, if we used the other ones, it was broken into the quadrants and I would have had to cut out that and drop it in. But this is what I'm looking for, just like this. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and file save. Move this out of the way, sorry. It's not letting me file save. All right, well, we'll work this out together. Sorry, there are errors in this, and that's how you know I'm not faking it at all. All right, so we're gonna go over here, and this is the one I made for day 3 challenge. So we're gonna make this pretty quick here. We're gonna go to day 4 because I'm doing the same title shot there, but the screen is gonna be a little bit different. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload file, and no, I guess I'm gonna have to break that out. All right, well that's fine. Extract. Okay, there it's extracted. Now they should be there. And let's close this, reopen it, refresh. Okay, and we wanted, what one was that again? Do you remember? It was 0. All right, file 0. It's not there. Why is it not there? Technical difficulties. We'll try again. Extract to, and we're just going to go to downloads. Okay. There we go. Now it should be there. Let's refresh that one more time. There they are. So this is the one we want today. And we'll click on that. We'll upload. Whoops. I opened that. Whoops. That was the wrong thing to do. That's okay. Errors are errors. We learn from errors. That's all right. Let's see. So we're going to go ahead and now we're going to get this one. And we can go ahead and delete this. Delete that. That's fine. We're going to take this. We're going to drag it over here. We're going to make it nice and big. Move it around a little bit. Oh, we actually fit it on there quite well, pretty easily. Now we are going to want to move that back one, which is pretty easy. There we go. And we still have the outline, makes that nice and clear. That's it. We just made a thing. So we'll go ahead and share. And we're going to download. And this is actually for today. So download that. And the idea of this is, we don't want to spend too much time overall. I want to actually be able to spend time with my family and friends and things like that. So there we go. We got this done. And all I need to do is upload that to YouTube. And that'll take care of that. And so what will happen is after I upload it to YouTube, I'll go ahead and go to my channel. You can see I've actually updated some of this stuff here. As I said, that was yesterday's. And I just put this up not too long ago, 18th, 19th. I actually did that. Today is the 20th here, but I did it first thing this morning. I had it set up yesterday, but I kept it private until today. So I am trying to get these out every day, and sometimes, life gets in the way, and that's all right. But I hope that was helpful to you. Remember to go ahead and check out Replica, and then also check out the AI checklist. Download those. And that wraps it up for today 4. Today we learned a little bit more about Spotter Studio, how to look for video ideas and content, and also don't forget to check out the AI checklist. The link is down below. You can join Spotter. In that link, you'll get a link to it. It'll automatically go to it. And again, if you sign up through me as an affiliate, I do make a little bit of money, but it doesn't charge you anymore. That's the word I was looking for. But thanks, and I look forward to seeing you to day 5 challenge of this challenge, and we'll keep you posted.